Hi, my name is Justin, and this is MTech Performance. Today we have a 528 on the lift, xDrive, and unfortunately it had timing chain failure. Now the normal repair would be to replace the timing chain guides, timing chain, all that good stuff, but unfortunately when the timing chain guide broke, it dropped down into the oil pan and went up the oil sump, causing oil starvation. So the next best thing, replacing the motor today. Let's get to it. So here we have the new motor, old motor here, stripping the new motor down, taking the old components off the old motor, transferring them onto the new motor. So all right, so last night I finished putting in the motor. We're gonna start it now, see if it starts. All right, here we go. When we put the motor in, we drained the oil, added fresh oil, ran a flush through the system for 15 minutes, drained that, add fresh oil, new oil filter. Also check the vehicle for operating temperatures, make sure they were correct, and did a full overview of the vehicle. I'd say it's good to go.